Good morning to all of you. Today I'm longing to tell about unity. Unity in a student, in unity in society. I would like to tell you about the first. First of all, unity in students. That how far unity is significant play a role in a student life. If we have a unity, then we can protest against our university professors, lecturers, our teachers in before of our governments. Okay. Then I would like to tell you about that how far we have need to work with unity. Okay, various part of to make a unity and build yourself and build your personality to in front of in before of anyone. Okay, first of all we should must make a unity in before of our teachers, in before our university and college or whatever we want. Okay, if we are in unity, then think about, suppose that we are on that place. Okay, then if something happened wrong with us, then we can protest, we can ask our right, where is our right, what are you talking about that things. If we have our unity, then we can talk, we all are what members in unity. Okay, whose people are in unity, then we can talk directly to our teacher, to our principal, to our governments. We can ask our demand, we can ask our right, we can fight with our rights. Okay, with fundamental rights. Okay, then in the situation is that to be a success situation in that when we are not preparing anything, then today's our era here, beat black and blue students are fight with his right. Here government are also not providing a vacant vacancies are every year. They will not provide a vacancies, a lot of vacancies are not here. So that's why the beat black and students are want to hear rights. They want to job for the government. We all know that the unemployment is increasing in our Bihar, in whole over the world. So is that the reason is that we have students, because of study, because of education, we should must unity. By dint of these things we can build something, then we can do something for our unity, for our community, for our society. If we are not able to do, if we aren't capable to do, to make a unity, to build, to something to do, it is important thing that a significant role play in student's life. If you are under unity, it means, is a scholar says the unity is a strength. Unity is a strength. When you are in unity, no one can beat you, no one can defeat you. Okay, I think so. It is enough today because of we are taking too much time. It's a video enough for 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Thank you. That's all about it. You should unity to in front of our teachers, in front of our university lectures, professors. What he want to, whatever I want. Okay, whatever we want from our teachers, from our governments, whatever I wanted to decide for, with the respect of peoples who want to give our opportunity, give our time. I think so. That's all about it. Thank you. That's all. Thanks for watching.